Alright, so here I got some of my old remote control planes. These were little Cessnas Piper Cubs. I'm basically going to be using the props from it and the guts and the insides, the control boxes, the motors. This piece I have over here, it's a piece of fresh styrofoam that I'm going to use. Cut it out, cut the circles in the top. The hole is now cut for the lift fan blade of the hovercraft. Now all I need to do is make the motor mount. Here is the motor mount for the hovercraft. This propeller will go right here, right in the center, and all I need to do now is make the top half for the motor to hang from. Now I just had to test out the electronics, but they did not work at first, so I went to the store, and this guy there was so nice. He gave me this setup right here, these two motor mounts and this control box, and it also comes with this controller right here. It was such a nice gift he gave me, and it really made the project come together well. I wouldn't have been able to do it without it. Okay, so this is the setup the guy at the store gave me. This is the control box, so we're running everything, and this is the controller. We have push motor mounted down here, or lift motor, propulsion motor, and then here is where the rudder goes. Will you hand me the rudder real quick? The rudder goes right like so. Now we'll turn with the servos to make it go. And turn. Here's a skirt made out of trash bag. All we have to do is plug in the power source, and we're ready to go. Now we'll move it to right down. This wood right here, I had it originally for the mount, but it was way too heavy. It wouldn't lift off with it. So I had to go to the store and get some balsa wood, like this stuff right here, and remake the mount. This stuff weighs lighter than the styrofoam I'm using now anyway. And so now that's all plugged in, it lifts up nice and fills up the skirt very well. And to maximize a little more of the lift, I put this styrofoam over top of the lift propeller to keep some of the air from escaping. Now it's time to test everything out. Everything's put together, and it should lift up pretty well once I plug this battery in. Let's see how it does.
Rumors spreading round in that Texas town. Right to shack outside the games. And you know what I'm talking about. Just let me know if you want.
So I was just testing it out, and I realized that this little motor didn't work, so I had to swap it out for this big motor over here because the other one, I guess something came loose on the circuit board of it. But anyway, I had to plug this in right here, and once I did, this circuit board totally fried. You can see it just totally burnt to pieces there, but it still works a little bit. My push propeller just doesn't work now, but I think I may have solved the problem. Here it is, working, floating on top of the water. It does pretty well. To solve the propulsion problem, in the skirt I just made a vent in the back of the skirt so that the escaping air from the lift prop inside the skirt will escape out the back and in turn push it forward with conservation of momentum. The mass of the gas leaving the back will push it forward. A little more testing here. It's a lot easier on water because the coefficient of friction between my skirt and the ground is really hard, and also with the propulsion problem I came in with, but it works very well on top of the water. It's pretty fun to fly around.